Good morning, students. See, today we will start chapter Chekam, and from question number 4 we will start. Because question number first give 3 equivalent fractions of each question that you can solve, simplify also that you can do. Question number third is also given, in that also you have to simplify the questions, that also you can solve by yourself. From question number 4 we will start. So question number 4 is, Mr. Yadav bought 1/2 kg of sweets. After his children had eaten some, there was 1/10 kg left. How much had they eaten? Now see, Mr. Yadav bought 1/2 kg of sweets. So make the steps. He bought half kg of sweets. Okay. After his children had eaten some, there was 1/10 kg left. After eating remaining sweets, what is the number of remaining sweets now? 1/10 kg. Okay, so how much had they eaten? Now out of 1/2 kg, 1/10 was remaining after eating. So how much they had eaten? So 1/2 minus 1/10 kg of sweets. Now see, after taking LCM of 2 and 10, take out the LCM. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 ones are 5. So LCM is equal to 10. So 1/2 multiplied by 5 minus 1/10. So 5/10 minus 1/10 is equal to 5 minus 1/10 equal to 4/10. Okay, or you can write here 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2/5, and this is your answer. Okay, now see question number 5. Lillian painted 7/10 of a wall. Champa painted another 1/5 of it. What fraction of the wall was painted? So solution number 5. Lillian painted. How much he painted? 7/10 of a wall. Okay. Then how much Champa painted? Champa painted. How much he has painted? 1/5 of it. Out of 7/10, he has painted only 1/5 of a wall. Now see, what fraction of the wall was painted? Now how much wall was painted? Now see, 7/10 plus 1/5. Total number of wall was painted, that is we have to find here. So taking LCM of 10 and 5. So LCM is equal to 10. Now see, 7/10 plus 1/5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, 7/10 plus 2/10, that is 9/10, and this is your answer. Okay, now see question number 6. Anup went for shopping. He spent 1/2 of his money on books and 1/8 of it on food. What fraction of money did he spend? This question is your homework. This question is similar to question number 5, so you can solve it. Now see question number 7. Arvind wrote 15 1/3 pages of his story on Saturday and 17 7/12 pages on Sunday. How many more pages did he write on Sunday than on Saturday? देखो इस क्वेश्चन में सैटरडे के दिन उसने कितनी स्टोरीज लिखी, संडे से ज़्यादा, कितनी ज़्यादा लिखी, दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड हाउ मच मोर ही हैव रिटन. तो देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, सॉल्यूशन नंबर 7. Arvind wrote 15 1/3 pages of his story, okay, on Sunday, sorry, on Saturday. On Saturday, how much he has written? 15 1/3 pages. Okay, now see on Sunday how much he has written? On Sunday he has written how much? 17 7/12 pages. Now see, take out the fractions of Saturday. 15 1 by 3, that means 15 3s are 45 plus 1 46 by 3. On Sunday how much he has written? 17 multiplied by 12. So get the multiplication here. 204 plus 7. 211. So 17 7 by 12 is equal to 211 by 12. Now see, on Sunday he has written more pages than on Saturday. तो हमें क्या करना है, इसमें से इसको माइनस करना है. तो अब इसमें से इसको माइनस करेंगे तब हमारे पास निकल जाएंगे डेज की उसने संडे के दिन कितनी ज़्यादा लिखी है. तो 211 माइनस 12 माइनस 46 बाई 3 इज इक्वल टू, अब हमें एलसीएम निकालना है 12 और 3 का. तो एलसीएम हो जाएगा हमारा 12. तो 211 बाई 12 माइनस 46 बाई 3 इंटू 4. ओके, नाउ सी 211 माइनस 46 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 4 184 डिवाइड बाई 12 is equal to, now get the subtraction here. 211 minus 184, this 7, 2 is 27 by 12. अब 27 by 12 का आप डिवाइड कर सकते हो. 3 से 3 9s are 27, 3 4s are 12. Okay, so 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is your answer, or you can write it in fraction also. Okay, this is your question number 7. Now see, question number 8. Arshu was given 1.5 hours to do a test. He finished the test in 1 by 6 hours. How much earlier did he finish his test? Okay, now see, total time given to him for test. Total time given to him is equal to 1.5 hour. So you can change it. 1.5 hour means 2 1 2, 2 plus 1 3 by 2 hours. He finished in how much time he has finished his test? That is 1 by 6 hour. That is 6 1 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 6 hours. नाउ सी, उसने कितनी जल्दी कंप्लीट किया. जो टाइम गिवन था उसमें से इतने टाइम में उसने कंप्लीट कर लिया. तो हाउ मच टाइम इज रिमेनिंग? सो हाउ मच अर्लियर डिड ही फिनिश द टेस्ट? तो 3 by 2 माइनस 7 by 6. तो 2 और 6 का एलसीएम लेंगे पहले. 2 1 2, 2 3 6. सो एलसीएम इज इक्वल टू 6. सो 3 by 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 इंटू 3 माइनस 7 by 6 is equal to, 3 is a 9 by 6 minus 7 by 6 is equal to 9 minus 7 by 6 is equal to, what is the answer? 2 by 6. That is 2 1 2, 2 3 1 by 3 is your answer. Okay, now see, question number 9. A man used 2.5 buckets of paint to paint a wall. He used 1 by 4 bucket less to paint a room. How much paint did he use for the room? Now see, a man used 2.5 bucket of a paint. Total paint is 2.5 bucket. It means it will become 5 by 2. Then he used 1 by 4. It means 5 by 4 less to paint the room. How much paint did he use for the room? So 5 by 2 minus 5 by 4. So what is the LCM you are getting here? 5 by 2 into 2 into 2 minus 5 by 4. LCM is equal to 4 here. So 5 2s are 10. 4 minus 5 by, so 5 by 4 is your answer. Okay, 5 by 4, or you can, when you are writing it in mixed fraction, it will become your 1 by 4. And this is your answer. Okay, now see question number 10. A brick weighs 2.5 kg. A stone is 1/10 kg lighter than the brick. What is the weight of the stone? He is asking the weight of the stone. See question number 10 also you can solve. You just have to find out the weight of the stone. So listen here now, question number 11. Sonia gave away 2/9 of her collection of stamps to Jaya and 4/9 of the collection to Reena. What fraction of stamp collection is left with her? Sonia gave 2/9 of her collection of stamp to Jaya. So Sonia has पहले हमें नंबर ऑफ स्टैम्प्स जो सोनिया के पास है वो लिखना है. तो उसने 9 में से दिया है, तो आउट ऑफ 9 शी हैज़ गिवन 2/9 ऑफ हर कलेक्शन टू जया एंड 4/9 ऑफ कलेक्शन टू रीना. तो सोनिया हैज़ 9/9 कलेक्शन होगा उसके बाद, 9 वन ज़ार 9. ओके, इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो 1 आ जाएगा. तो सोनिया के पास कितने हो गए? 1 स्टैम्प. ओके, देन आउट ऑफ दिस शी हैज़ गिवन टू, शी गेव टू Jaya is equal to 2/9. Then she gave to Reena is equal to 4/9. Now see, this much she has given away. Then how much total? So total is equal to 2/9 plus 4/9. जितना उसने दिया उसका टोटल कर लो, 6/9. अब 6/9 को हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, that is 2/3. Now see, stamp collection is left with her. Now say stamp collection left with her. Now see, out of 1 you have to find how much is remaining with her. तो टोटल कितना हुआ? 2/3 उसने दिया है और कितना उसके पास था? 1. तो 1 minus 2/3 is equal to, अब हमें यहाँ पे तो कुछ भी नहीं है तो 1 minus 2/3 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दैट इज 3 minus 2/3 is equal to 1/3 is your answer. Okay, now see question number 12. Ranjan took 1/5 of a cake. Raman wanted more cake than Ranjan ate, so he asked for 1/8 of the cake, knowing that 8 is bigger than 5. Explain to Raman his mistake. So what is the mistake Raman is making? See, if Ranjan took 1/5 of the cake, it means out of 5 pieces he has taken 1 piece. Okay, but what is the Ranjan asking? What is the Raman asking? That Raman wanted more cake than Ranjan he had. He asked for 1/8 of the piece, 1/8 of the cake. If he is asking that out of 8 pieces, but 8 pieces are not there, only 5 pieces are there, then he is asking out of 8 pieces 1 piece he need. It means what is the mistake he is making? That 8 is bigger than 5 and how many pieces are there? 5. So no need to solve this question. Leave question number 12. See question number 13. Write down any 4 equivalent fraction of 16/4. 4 equivalent fraction of 16/64. So 16/64 इसको आप डायरेक्टली डिवाइड कर सकते हो. 16 1 जा 16, 16 4 जा 64. तो 1 इज द, यू गेट 1/4. अब 1/4 को आप 2 सेकेंड नंबर पे आप 2 ले लो, दैट इज 2/8. नाउ 1/4 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3, 3/12 and 1 multiply by 4 and 4 multiply by 4 is equal to 4/16. So equivalent fractions are 1/4, 2/8, 3/12 and 4/16. Okay, the next 4 equivalent fraction of 16/64 is 1/4, 2/8, 3/12 and 4/16. So we have completed this chapter, our chapter number 6. Okay, so complete this chapter checkup completely and complete the exercise also up to 6G. Okay, thank you.